Hello guys, again with me Jelita Amranani Anugrah Sari. On this occasion, I will make a video to complete my final semester exam. Before discussing the video, I will introduce about myself. First, my name is Jelita Amranani Anugrah Sari. Number my student is 1903211000093. Introductory Business Class J. Well, here I will make a video about the analysis of micro, small and medium enterprise around my house. Here I cause micro, small and medium enterprise, namely Tofu Factory business owned by Mrs. Rusmiati. Here I will discuss 6 aspects of this effort, namely accounting and financial analysis, financial management of funding, production management, marketing management, management information system, and risk management, so that we don't go straight to the video for a long time.
Business Tofu Factory by Mrs. Rusmiati is in the Willy Street number 29A, Pare, Kediri. Mrs. Rusmiati Tofu Factory is the oldest factory in the Pare because it has been around for more than 70 years. This factory has passed 3 generations. This factory was founded by Mrs. Pyra, then passes on to her children. This factory still uses a simple method. These are some of the activities in Mrs. Rusmiati Tofu Factory.
Accounting and financial analysis for the first discussion, namely a discussion of the accounting and financial analysis of this tofu factory. For the finance of a tofu factory, this capital is not known with certainty, but can be estimated at 15 millions, where the money is used to buy equipment, such as milling machines, work, barrel, and others. For financial calculation, see the slide. Financial calculation for 1 month sales with 6,240 pieces tofu. Fixed cost is 3,540,000. Variable cost is 6,115,000 at a price of 2,000 per piece. Financial management financing. Next is the second discussion, namely the financial management of funding. Funding from this tofu factory business, namely internal capital, when the funding comes from the business owner himself, namely 15 million from Mrs. Rusmiati to be used unital capital. Next, production management. Production management of the tofu factory business includes selecting the location where the location is chosen, namely in a strategic place, having a good drain, and so on. And for the production process of this tofu is wicking the soybeans, soaking, then grinding, cooking, applying vinegar, and printing. Marketing management. The fourth discussion is marketing management. Marketing management in this tofu factory business includes pricing, distribution, channels, and promotion. For her own price, Mrs. Rusmiati paid it according to the market price and also took into account production. Then, for the distribution channel, there is a direct producer to the consumer, where the distributor is the seller of tofu in the market for self-promotion through social media marketing and also by word of mouth. Management information system. Next is the fifth discussion, namely the management information system. The management information system of this tofu factory does not yet exist because this business is still traditional, so that it does not have a management information system. Risk management. Risk management of selling this tofu is not durable because it does not use preservative. That's all I can analyze from Mrs. Rusmiati Tofu Factory Business. Thank you and see you. Bye.